Hi everyone. So today in this video, I'll be talking about mathematics in early years foundation stage. So I'll be giving you a small introduction about early mathematics. Mathematics in early years foundation stage. Mathematics plays a major role in a child's development and help children make sense of the world around them. Mathematics is one of the seven learning areas in early years, and it involves providing children with opportunities to develop and improve their skills in counting, understanding, and using numbers, calculating simple addition, subtraction problems, and to describe shapes, spaces, and measure. Early math skills are being used by children throughout their activities, experiences, and daily routines, whether at school or at home. For example, becoming familiar with their routines, such as brushing their teeth, getting dressed, taking a nap, and learning about going shopping with their parents, can all become mathematic learning opportunities. So I just read through this paragraph just to give you a rough understanding of how we can involve children in mathematics in their early years. So mathematics is everywhere. It plays a major role in a child's development and help children make sense of the world around them. Children between the age of 1 to 5 years old are beginning to explore patterns and shapes, compare sizes, and count objects. Mathematics play is evident in pretend play, block play, literary play, outdoor play, and science play. So, this is important. These types of plays are important. So, I'll just highlight through it. So, if you want this note, it will be in the description. Um, Parents and teachers play an important role in influencing and being role models for children by providing opportunities for children to learn and develop new skills. We need to allow children to direct their own play, support them in enhancing and extending their play. Children need opportunities to discover and create, use number concepts and skills to explore, develop confidence in their ability to think things through, solve meaningful problems, create connections to help discover relationships. So, in early years, giving them opportunities to do these kinds of things, we can help the children to improve their early mathematics skills. Okay. Now let's go to the topic mathematics in preschool, where I'll be giving a small introduction of what preschool is doing under the topic of mathematics. So preschool children are very active, and any program and teacher must take that into account. Emotionally, preschoolers are inquisitive and explorative. Cognitively, they are in a pre-operational stage of development in which they begin to engage in symbolic play and learn to manipulate symbols. However, Piaget noted that children at this stage do not yet understand concrete logic. Children at this stage learn through pretend play. So, as I mentioned earlier, pretend play is very important. So Piaget is an educationalist who studied very well about the behaviors and learning patterns of early childhood children. So that's what Piaget has said. Okay. Then, during the first half of pre-operational stage, children are in a symbolic functional substage. Children at this stage are generally 2 to 4 years old. They let one object stand in for another and use symbols and signs such as numbers. They do this to pretend play. Therefore, give your children, preschool children, as much time as possible for imaginative play. This then leads to intuitive thoughts substage, in which children are not logical but think intuitively. Children at this stage may ask many questions and are very curious. So there are a couple of stages that you need to consider in this early childhood. So in this particular pre-operational stage, we call that the children are in a symbolic functional substage. This stage usually comes for the children that are in the years of 2 to 4 years old. Douglas Clement suggests that we need preschool mathematics for 4 reasons. The first reason that they mentioned is preschoolers experience mathematics at a basic level and that need to be improved. The second reason Douglas Clement suggests that the preschool mathematics should be there is many children, especially those from minority backgrounds and underrepresented groups, have difficulty in school mathematics, and therefore preschool teachers should address those equity issues. The third reason is preschoolers do possess informal mathematical abilities and use mathematical ideas in real life, and preschool teachers should capitalize on their interests. And the final reason is brain research has shown that preschoolers' brains undergo significant development. Their experiences and learning affects the structure and organization of their brain, and preschoolers' brains grow most as a result of complex activities. Okay, that were the 4 reasons given by Douglas Clement for why the preschools should be having mathematics. And preschool mathematics can be divided into 2 groups. That's important. Preschool mathematics can be divided into 2 groups, numerical and measurements. Numerical activities are discrete, while measurement activities are continuous. Numerical concepts ask the questions how many and are referred to as discrete quantities because they can be counted. Mathematics during the preschool years should focus on number, geometry, measurement, algebra, and patterns, and also problem solving. At age 3, children can hold up a number of fingers to indicate a quantity. So in the next video, I'll be talking about these areas that the preschool mathematics focus on. I'll be talking about these categories: the numbers, geometries, measurements, algebra, pattern, and problem solving. We'll talk about each topic. What are the things that are focused on the category of numbers, the category of geometry, measurements, algebra, patterns, and problem solving in detail in the coming video. So let's just do a quick summary of what we have done today. Mathematics in earlier foundation stage. You've learned what are the skills that the children should be having, how you can incorporate them in the home activities, and the different types of plays: pretend play, block play, literary play, outdoor play. By involving your child in these kinds of plays, you can involve them to develop their early mathematics skills, and what kind of opportunities that you give to your children in order to help them develop their mathematical skills. And then what kind of mathematical background should you be having in your preschool, or your child should be getting from his or her preschool. What different educationalists thought about it, especially about pretend play. And operational stage, we'll be talking about the other stage in details in the coming episodes. So we talked about this pre-operational stage, which is usually 2 to 4 years old children comes under this category, and they are also called as the symbolic function substage. And Douglas Clement suggests 4 reasons for why mathematics should be in preschools. And the preschool mathematics is mainly divided into two categories, numerical and measurements. We'll discuss numerical and measurement categories also in detail. And these number geometry, mathematics, algebra, pattern, and problem solving also in details. So this is a rough idea of what early childhood mathematics is having in general. So we'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.